In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use the multi-select field in Ninja Forms. Ninja Forms is a very simple drag-and-drop form editor. You can use this plugin to create any type of forms for your website. First, you need to install and activate the Ninja Forms plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, go to Ninja Forms and click on Add New. Select the blank form here. Now you can simply drag and drop the multi-select field here. Add the Submit button. Now let's configure the field. You can edit the label from here, and here you can enter the options you want to provide. Then click on Done. And now click on Publish. So let's go back, copy the form shortcode, then create a new page, give the page a title, paste the shortcode here, and let's view the page. As you can see, the form was added successfully here, and the user can select multiple options here. This is how you can use the multi-select field in Ninja Forms. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.